everyone, I am Huma from Raval Convent School. In this video, we will learn the basic of subject-verb agreement. Before understanding subject-verb agreement, we will understand what is subject and verb in the sentence and how to identify subject and verb in the sentence. Then we will understand what exactly is subject-verb agreement and basic rules surrounding it. So, what is the subject in the sentence? The subject of the sentence is the person, place, thing or idea that is doing or being something. What is the verb in the sentence? It is the action performed by the subject or state of being. Let's understand it with an example. Ajay plays cricket regularly. Now, to identify the subject, ask here who's performing the action of playing. It is Ajay. So, Ajay is the subject here, and to identify the verb, ask the question what subject is performing. It is clean, so it is the verb in this case. In this way, we can identify the subject and verb in the sentence, asking the question. Now, based on point of view, subject may be in first person, second person or third person. In first person, we have I and we. In second person, we have you. And in third person, we have he, she, it, they. Now let's understand the main topic of today. What is subject-verb agreement? For making a sentence grammatically correct, a verb must agree with its subject in number. That is to say, in any sentence, singular subject must have singular verb and plural subject must have plural verb. This is the most general rule. So again, I will repeat. Singular subject must have singular verb and plural subject must have plural verb. Please note, this statement holds to only when subject is in third person. Now, look into example to make things clear. Look into the example where subject is singular, that monkey eats banana. Here, subject is monkey, which is singular. So, verb will also be singular. In this case, it is eats. Let's look into one more example. This car goes fast. Here, the subject is car, which is singular verb, will also be singular. In this case, it is goes. Now, let's see into some more examples where subject is plural. Those monkeys eat bananas. Here, subject is monkeys, which is plural in form. So, verb will also be in plural form. So, in this case, we used eat. Let's look into next example. These cars go fast. Here, the subject is cars, which is plural in form. So, verb will also be in plural form. So remember this rule. The rule is when singular subject has singular verb and plural subject has plural verb. Please note, we have seen example only where the third person is used. Now let's look into the example where subject is not in third person. I read newspaper regularly. Here I is singular but verb read is in plural form. Let's look into one more example. We read newspaper regularly. Here we is in plural form and read is in plural form. So in case of first and second person, there is no rule of singular subject. Singular verb and plural subject must have plural verb. Please remember this concept also. There are some important rules related to subject-verb agreement. Those rules I will discuss in my next video. Thank you everyone.